Hello viewers, in this video we will discussing about the how to generate a single story with Python base. You can see the one trend now Python library, and I will put some matrices ban who name residents what happen and print the random dot choice ban random. So in this task, our task is to generate a random story every second used to run program. So first story part of the you can see the different list. Then the random model can be used. Select the random part. So the story will be different. You can see I will open my terminal, new terminal. Our all files is program files in desktop Pyresearch. You can see we are targeting only direct story.net this file. So Python story generator.py. You can see the on 20th a mouse will be live, and so you can see the few years ago. Here you can see the few years ago. Okay, last night at so you can see the one simple story will be generated in random library. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates and short videos. Please support our channel.